In this tutorial I am going to explain array assignment models. Model number 1, the inefficient one. The one should never be used if you plan to create robust code. In this model, each element is assigned one by one using separate statements. Here we declare an array of 5 elements. The elements can be accessed by position 0 to 4. This statement assigns 10 to first element identified by position 0. This one assigns second element. Second element is identified by position 1. This one assigns third element. Third element is identified by position 2. This one assigns fourth element. Fourth element is identified by position 3. This one assigns fifth element. Fifth element is identified by position 4. So, this model exists but is never advised. We simply should not use this model to store large size arrays. For example, ages or marks of 40 or 50 students. If assigned with this model will be quite inefficient. We will discuss about a better way to assign arrays in the next video. Thank you for watching the video. If you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.